In this video, we will find the angle of minimum deviation of the glass prism, which is shown here, which is composed of three rectangular surfaces which are arranged in such a manner that it makes a shape of a hut. And then we will draw two horizontal lines on a A4 size plain sheet and put the triangle in such a manner that we can draw six different cases of the refraction through the glass prism as shown in the video. Now with the help of protector, we will draw six different cases of different angle of incidence as shown. The first angle is 30 degree, where 90 is marked as 0 and the 30-degree angle is obtained at the mark 50. And the second angle of incidence is 35 degree, which is coming at the mark 55 degree. The third angle is 40 degree, which is coming at the mark 50 degree, because 90 is considered as 0. So 10, 20, 30, 40. The next angle is 45 degree, which is coming at the mark 45 degree, because 90 is 0 and 45 degree will be obtained at exact 45. The next angle is 50 degree, which is coming at the mark 40 degree, because 90 is considering as 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The next one is 55 degree and it is coming at the mark 35. Now we have arranged two pins on all the six incident rays. These two pins are arranged in such a manner that distance between them should be more than 2 centimeter. Now prism will be placed on all the cases. Like, first we will place it on the first condition where angle is 30 degree, angle of incidence 30 degree, and we would observe the refracted wavefront through the other side of the prism, and it is shown in the figure. And we have put two more figures on the emergent ray so that we can draw the emergent ray with the help of these pins. In this manner, in all the six cases, we will draw the emergent ray. In the first case, the emergent ray is coming at an angle 42 degree. In the second case, the emergent ray is coming at an angle 38 degree. In the third case, the emergent ray is coming at the angle 37 degree. In the fourth, the emergent ray is coming at the angle 35 degree. In the fifth case, the emergent ray is coming at the angle 37 degree, and in the last case it is coming at the angle 39 degree. In this way, we will make the table of angle of incidence and angle of deviation, which is shown in the diagram, and we will draw the graph between angle of incidence and angle of deviation. The scale is taken in such a manner that 4 divisions are equivalent to 1 degree, and the graph is drawn with all the six readings, and from there we can find the angle of minimum deviation, which is 35 degree. Thank you.